Welcome back to Tech with Ratan, and this is Ratan. So many of you are learning Django to build applications, but when it comes to building the logic, you flip, right? So this has happened with me earlier when I was learning software development. That's the reason I decided to teach what I learned. After the success of 8-week backend developer program, I'm launching something more focused. Yes, once again, I'm starting live classes for Django developers. Now, this is not 8-week program, it's just 4-week live classes on Saturday and Sunday from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Now, what is the difference between 8-week backend developer program and 4-week backend developer program? This is the question everybody has. In my last 8-week program, I covered everything from basics like I covered Python and I covered Django Basics and everything, right? But this time we are going straight to what really matters. I'm launching 4-week live program focused mainly on backend development using Django REST framework, where we build and deploy scalable APIs on production using Docker and CI/CD pipelines. So let's quickly dive into what is covered in this program. All right, right now I'm in this techwithratan.com live classes tab. Right, so you just go to techwithratan.com and Django live, or you can click the link in the description to land in this page. So this is the page where you will learn everything about this 4-week Django developer program, where we build scalable APIs. All right, so as you can see here, so this is the live program, not at all a recorded program. So I just want to confirm this, that this is not a recorded class or pre-recorded class, it's a live class. All right, so 4-week means every week there will be 2 sessions, one Saturday and another is Sunday. Okay, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. you can see that here. So the live classes are actually starting on May 9 2006, right? So 9th May 2006. Okay, so here you can also see some of the success stories that our last batches had. You can just read through all of those opinions that these people have, and also you can connect with them on LinkedIn. So let me quickly scroll down a little and let's talk about the 4-week curriculum. So in the first week we are going to look at the Django fundamentals. Okay, so I'm not going to teach everything about Django web framework, as I said before, because this is more focused on API development or the real backend development. But anyway, I'm going to conduct a Django Basics refresher session. Okay, but before that you have to have the the knowledge of Python programming. Okay, and also you have to have a knowledge of Django web framework. Okay, so right away in the first week only I'm going to start talking about the Django REST framework. All right, and in the second week we will work on serializers. We will also work on views and URL patterns, and how to create API endpoints, and also what is this function based views, class based views, and all of that. And also we will use a Postman for testing our APIs. Okay, and of course you'll be learning about the paginations, filtering and ordering, and all of that which is covered in Django REST framework. Okay, and by the end of this week, the second week, you will be getting the assignments. Okay, so assignments are actually based on the real use cases, not just a small assignments. All right, and also from third week, right, on the third week we are going to talk about a mock requirement from a client. Okay, so this is the main section or the session of this program. So here you will learn about how to read the requirements and how to understand them, and how you can properly plan, just like how the real companies plan before they execute the projects, right? So the same thing we are going to do in this live program also. Okay, so I will teach you exactly how to make the project planning and how we can kick off the project, right? So we are going to take a mock requirement of a client who wants to build an e-commerce system. So e-commerce is a system where we can learn to build a lot of features like authentication features and add to cart features, ordering system, payments and all that, right? So for learning any software web application development, so it's always good to go with, or always good to build some kind of e-commerce system, so that in one project you will learn so many things, right? We are not going to build to-do apps and all that. So once we are done with building the APIs for this e-commerce system, we want to give it a life, right? So we are going to integrate our APIs to a pre-built React front end. Okay, yes, I'm going to give you the pre-built React front end that I built for this for this purpose, for this backend developer program purpose. We are not going to build it on camera, but I have already built it. The only thing that we are going to do is we are going to integrate them so that we can see the working application in front of you, right? So once we are done with the integration, now it's time to deploy it, right? If you don't deploy it on the production server, that you can't give it to you can't show it to anyone, right? So that's the reason we are also deploying it. And this is not just a small or demo deployment or something. This is the deployment practice that the industry is following. So it's kind of an auto deployment. So we are going to use a Docker. If you don't know Docker, doesn't matter, I'm going to teach you in this live class only. So we are using Docker, and we are also using a CI/CD pipeline for deploying this project on the Ubuntu server. So why CI/CD pipeline is important? Because when you deploy it, you may want to scale your application, right? You may want to develop some new feature or bug fix and then push it again to the live server, right? So deploying your application with the CI/CD pipeline makes it easier for you to develop new features on your local computer, and with just one or two commands, you can just auto deploy that new feature to the production server without the site going down. So this is the main thing the employers are looking for. I've seen many YouTube videos where they show you how to deploy Django project on the production, but they don't show you what happens after you deploy the application, right? So this is the start. So after you make a deployment, the responsibility increases, right? You have to fix the bugs, you have to build a new feature, and then you push it to the live server, right? Then how? So this is the way when you integrate, or when you build the CI/CD pipeline, this process will be easier. So in this live program, I'm going to teach you end-to-end deployment process. So by the end of this program, you will have a complete e-commerce project live on production that you planned, you built, and you deployed. Now you can show this project to your employer when in the interview. This will increase the chances of getting hired by at least 5x. All right. So that's what we are building in this program, and the price of this live program is just 1,999. Before it was 2,999 because I was teaching 8 weeks. Now this is 1,999. Okay, so if you have any specific questions regarding this live program, you can also talk to me just by clicking on this button. Otherwise, you can simply click on this join now button, and then you can just enroll in the live class. All right. So with that said, I'll make sure you get 100% benefit from this program, and I'll leave the link in the description. You can just check it out and you can enroll in the live class. Okay, so I'll see you live.